In 1984, Time magazine declared war on eggs and bacon, but decades later we realized something odd. For many people, eating cholesterol didn't actually spike their numbers. But why? Your liver is like a 24/7 Amazon warehouse. It makes 75% of your cholesterol itself. Why? Because it's not a villain. It builds hormones, cells, and brain tissue. Cholesterol is oily, blood is watery, they don't mix. So your body uses trucks. LDL delivers cargo to cells. HDL is the cleanup crew. Usually they work perfectly. But insulin resistance creates a traffic jam. Excess sugar turns into triglycerides. LDL trucks get stuck, small and dangerous. The roads get inflamed. This is how plaque forms. So does food matter? Yes. Plants contain soluble fiber, nature's mop. It binds to cholesterol in your gut and escorts it out of your body before it sticks. To fix high cholesterol, you must fix the system, clear the roads, rebuild the cleanup crew, and reopen the exits by healing your metabolic health and insulin sensitivity. Ready to clear the jam? I created the Cholesterol Repair Blueprint, the same protocol that's lowered my patient's cholesterol by up to 25%. Grab it in the article below.